Good afternoon everyone. This is our project Airport Residency, and you can see this is a 2 BHK apartment of sellable area 975 square feet. It's a huge living cum dining area with having a size of 25 feet long into 11 feet in breadth, and with this living cum dining you can have your open kitchen with a L pattern black granite countertop with a beautiful window and exhaust point. And just adjacent to that you can see this is the balcony space, and from this balcony you can see this is the view. These are the internal roads. The gap between towers are excellent. So now come this side. So this is the lobby space, and on this lobby you can see this is the common washroom. Excellent space in common washroom, separate space for bath. Wall mount commode will be given, and this side this is the first bedroom. So with this first bedroom you can have your wardrobe space over here, and both the side is having windows. So come and see the view from the window. Excellent view from this window. And from this window also you can have this view. So it's a beautiful first bedroom, and now we are going towards the second bedroom or master bedroom. So come this side. This is the master bedroom with having a size of 12 feet into 16 feet long with an attached toilet. So see the view from this master bedroom. So beautiful view of internal roads and the garden partially. And this bedroom is also having wardrobe space, a big wardrobe space, and an attached toilet. So this is the attached toilet space. So it's a square size attached toilet. So it's a flat of 975 square feet sellable area with having 2 bedrooms with 2 toilets with a huge living cum dining area. So if you are interested, then please call as early as possible, because we are having a single unit left of this size, and our project is absolutely ready to move in. So you can shift immediately within 1 month only. So thanks a lot for watching. If you are interested, then please call as early as possible and stay tuned for further updates. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.